Happy Halloween, everyone. It's James in Japan. It is October 31st, 2020. You're looking at my dinner. It's called Chicken Katsu Curry, which is chicken katsu, which is a chicken cutlet with curry and rice and shredded cabbage. And my chicken curry is actually in the microwave behind me. You can't hear it, but this is what it looks like. It costs about 398 yen, and I bought this at a Japanese drugstore. Yeah, it's a drugstore called KOSUMOSU. It's really easy to make. Okay, once you open it up, it comes frozen. You remove all the plastic. So you've got these chicken, breaded chicken over rice. It's really simple. And it tastes pretty good. So what you do is plop it into a microwave, set it to 500 watts for about 7 minutes, or set it to 600 watts for about 5 minutes and 50 seconds. I've set mine for 500 watts for about 7 minutes. Okay, let's go and check it out. Okay. Sorry about my microwave. It's old and it's dirty. And it's set at 500 watts, 29, almost done. I can smell it. I set it for 7 minutes. I'm really hungry. I don't feel like cooking tonight. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, it's done. So this is what it looks like. Ooh, burning hot. Well, not really burning hot. Like I said, I have an old microwave, but it smells great. This is what it looks like. Try it out. Get one at KOSUMOSU. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.